Hello, my name is Utku Mehmet Kutay, and I'm a freshman student, electric and electronics engineering in Bilkent University. Today, I will be conducting an experiment that aims to validate the theoretical range formula, and equipments I will be using are a launcher, a meter-long cooler, know what the range is, a sand pit to determine where the ball lands, a phone to record the thing and see how long the time is, and a rubber ball to act as the projectile. After conducting the experiment in various different angles, I will put all the ranges obtained to a data table. I will use those values to validate the range formula. I will also find the initial velocities from the range formula as well, and with the velocities I find, I will be getting the theoretical values as well, and I will be calculating the percent error and how the values I found behave compared to how the theoretical values behave. First, I launch the ball at 30 degrees. Then I launch the ball at 40 degrees. Next, I launch the ball at 50 degrees angle. And finally, I launch the ball at 60 degrees. If I compare the experimental values I got to the theoretical ones, this is the graph. And while it is not completely identical, the reason for that is the fact that I did not throw the ball at 45 degrees, which was my mistake. I also want to say that from the average velocity I found was 4.35 meter per second. And with this initial velocity I found, I calculated the theoretical ranges for 30, 40, 50, and 60 degrees. The ranges I found were very similar to the theoretical ranges, with the maximum error being 5.26% and the minimum error being 1.42%. Since we know the value of g and we know the value of the angle, and also we calculated the initial velocity, if we put the ranges we have found to this formula, we pretty much validated considering possible errors that caused a small percent of errors. Also from the graph we can see that the behavior is roughly similar even though not identical. The possibilities for mistakes are included in my conclusion. So overall, I would say that I was able to validate theoretical range formula in projectile motion.